everyone. Welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, which institution's astronomers made the first detection of ultraviolet emissions from novae in the Andromeda Galaxy? Option A, Indian Space Research Organization. Option B, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Option C, Indian Institute of Astrophysics. Option D, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The correct answer is option C, Indian Institute of Astrophysics, that is IIA. The groundbreaking discovery was made by astronomers from the Indian Institute of Astrophysics. Astronomers detected ultraviolet emissions from a total of 42 novae in the Andromeda Galaxy. Next question is, where was a male Markhor recently spotted and rescued? Option A, Noorkhah village, Baramulla. Option B, Kajinag National Park. Option C, Shopian district. Option D, Punch region. The correct answer is option A, Noorkhah village, Baramulla. The Markhor is recognized as the largest wild goat species, with males weighing up to 110 kilograms. The male Markhor was spotted in Noorkhah village near Baramulla in North Kashmir. Next question is, what initiative is the Amrit Gyaan Kosh portal part of? Option A, Digital India Initiative. Option B, Mission Karmyogi. Option C, Skill India Program. Option D, Make in India campaign. The correct answer is option B, Mission Karmyogi. The portal was launched under Mission Karmyogi, which aims to enhance the capacity of civil servants. Next question is, on which date is Human Rights Day observed annually? Option A, 1st December. Option B, 5th December. Option C, 10th December. Option D, 15th December. The correct answer is option C, 10th December. Human Rights Day is celebrated every year on the 10th of December. The day marks the adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948. Next question is, which country collaborated with India in the construction of INS Tushil? Option A, United States. Option B, France. Option C, Russia. Option D, Japan. The correct answer is option C, Russia. INS Tushil was constructed in collaboration with Russian shipyards as part of a defense partnership. Next question is, who appoints the Governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Option A, Prime Minister of India. Option B, President of India. Option C, Union Finance Minister. Option D, Cabinet Secretary. The correct answer is option B, President of India. The RBI Governor is appointed by the President of India based on the recommendation of the central government. Next question is, what is the name of the comet where frozen water was detected? Option A, Comet Hale-Bopp. Option B, Comet Tempel-Tuttle. Option C, Comet Neowise. Option D, Comet Read. The correct answer is option D, Comet Read. The comet identified with frozen water is named Comet Read, located in the asteroid belt. The halo surrounding Comet Read contained very little carbon dioxide, which is unusual for comets. Next question is, which organizations are responsible for organizing the Smart India Hackathon? Option A, Ministry of Science and Technology. Option B, Ministry of Education and 𝗕ICTE. Option C, Ministry of Information Technology. Option D, Ministry of Youth Affairs. The correct answer is option B, Ministry of Education and 𝗕ICTE. The hackathon is organized by the Ministry of Education and the All India Council for Technical Education, 𝗕ICTE. Next question is, what is the age eligibility for women to apply for the Bima Sakhi Yojana? Option A, 18 to 70 years. Option B, 15 to 50 years. Option C, 20 to 60 years. Option D, 25 to 55 years. The correct answer is option A, 18 to 70 years. Women aged between 18 and 70 years are eligible to apply for the scheme. Last question is, which country was the third largest source of FDI for India? Option A, Japan. Option B, United Kingdom. Option C, United States. Option D, Germany. The correct answer is option C, United States. The United States contributed approximately 10% of total FDI inflows into India. Now it's time for practice question. Which country played a significant role in co-sponsoring the resolution for World Meditation Day? Option A, Sri Lanka. Option B, India. Option C, Nepal. Or option D, all of the above. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.